Hi guys, it's Moz. Welcome back to the bench, and I've been in contact with a company called Ugears, and they've basically said, would you build some of our wooden models and show them off on your channel? In which I said yes, because sometimes it's just nice to come away from the plastic, come away from the paints, come away from the glue or the cement, and just do something, just takes your mind off the day-to-day things. And, these things aren't complex to do. They're an actually really clever engineered model. And you will probably see them around. And I'm going to link in the description box below on a way you can get these products. So they've sent me this Brave UA tractor. And as you know, it's like laser cut wood. All right. I think they're incredibly, very, very well engineered, okay? And there's a lot of thought that goes into them. So this box here, there's a lot of talk here about glory to Ukraine because they are a Ukrainian company, I believe. Yeah, made in the Ukraine. And they even tell you the date when it was manufactured. So this was manufactured in September of this year. Now, they're mechanical. There's no glue required. And I think it's 3-ply plywood, I think they call it. If you want to get closer, you can link to their video here. They say 14 plus, it's do it yourself, and it's self-assembly, so you got, put it yourself. It's 1 to 50 of scale. And this one here, the Brave UA tractor, the SKU code is 70185. Ukrainian Gears LLC. So yeah, we're going to have a little look at this, and I've put it together. Now, the material is sanded plywood, candle wax and sandpaper, and you get all that in the box. And you do need to use the wax because that's like a bit of like a lubrication to the wood, especially when there's moving parts. And so yeah, I'm really excited to build this. So let's just have a look what you get inside the box. We'll pull this out. Oh, there's there's a bit there. Just have a look what's inside. There's the instructions. There's a bit of sandpaper that you need. And this one here apparently comes with a little fidget spinner, which would be a bit of fun anyway. So, not really many steps. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps on this one. So, I think it's time we get on with the build. But before we do, this channel thrives on your comments and your support. And if you'd love to support this channel, all I ask is that you just give this video a bit of a like. If you can subscribe, press the subscribe button and ring that bell, and then select all to be notified when I release a new video. And if you can, leave a comment below about your thoughts on these wooden kits, because we'd really like to know. Okay, on to the build. And there it is, built. It's, yeah, very interesting. It does move. If you watch, if you see that the wheels turn, and it makes the tank jiggle up and down. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. So yeah, that's basically the mechanics bit as well. But you notice they're only going in one direction, so whether you push it forward or back, they always go in one direction, which I think is quite a clever idea. Look at that. So there you are. Hey, one little build, most definitely. Yeah. And obviously a child can paint this, you know, with a bit of paint, get your old acrylics out on it, and brush paint it to whatever you so wish. Anyways, there's the first build. I've got 4 of these. So there you are. That was the build of the Brave UA tractor. There are some spare bits left. And also there's a fidget spinner there, which I'll do in another video. But yeah, I think 19 is the... does it say that on the instructions? Yeah, it does actually. I didn't see that. 19. I haven't quite built it yet. So number 19, push these out. These are your stands, which kind of slot in here. There you go. Just clicks in there. There's one, and then click in the other. Oh dear. It's a bit hard to get in. There's the first one, there's the second one, and it stands up for you. And so you've got some spare parts in there in case you lose anything of the carpet monster. You've got a 19 and a 14, another cog there. But basically, that's everything. Just a few little spares, a little pins. Sometimes these pins split. So they've, you know, there's redundancy in this kit as well, which is really, really good. And like I say, there is, if you push this one out, that is a little fidget spinner, which you can do at a later date, which I will do. But yeah, that tool here is for pushing out the parts. But I don't use that, I just use my fingers. But, you know, or I use a little file, which I've, you know, used to clean up. But you can use that to push things out with as well. But other than that, I think that is the end of this build. And if you like the video, click like. It always helps the channel. If you can subscribe or ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Please leave a question or a comment down below in the comments box. I always reply. And I've got 4 of these to build. So if you'd like to see the next build that I've done, click here. And the playlist for these builds will be here. Thanks for watching.